In this video, I'll detail how to disable or turn off voice control on iPhone on iOS 18. So if you have the voice control turned on and you want to turn it off, then this video is going to walk you through step by step on how you can easily disable or turn off voice control on your iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if I know this video you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. The process to disable or turn off voice control on your iPhone 12 Pro Max, iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 mini and ordinary iPhone 12 is similar. You can just use the voice command or voice control to turn off your voice control by saying turn off voice control. Voice control is that there's going to be a confirmation request that says turn off voice control. You can just go ahead, select to turn off voice control, click on confirm or click on cancel to disable this. Then there are two ways to go about this. You can just say turn off voice control on your iPhone 12 Pro Max while your iPhone is listening. Then go ahead and say confirm. Once you confirm, this is going to turn off the voice control, and that's why you see the blue microphone icon after the dynamic island for time is turned off. Then also you can also turn off the voice control in the settings. So go about this on the settings. If your iPhone could not recognize your voice while using the voice command to turn off the voice control on your iPhone 12 Pro Max, is just go to your iPhone settings. On settings page, click on accessibility. Then you want to scroll down, click on voice control. Then if this is enabled in your case, you can just go ahead, toggle off voice control to disable voice control on your iPhone 12 Pro Max. Is that? Then that's all you need to do to disable or turn off voice control on your iPhone 12 Pro Max. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.